Unit 10 Diseases and Immunity. Topic 10.1.6 Supplement. Describe active immunity as a defense against a pathogen by antibody production in the body. Today we are going to study antibodies production. Terminology. Antigen. It is a uniquely shaped marker on the surface of pathogens called antigen. Receptors. It is a uniquely shaped marker on the surface of lymphocyte called receptor. Antibodies. Antibodies are produced by lymphocyte, the white blood cell, when pathogen germ enters the body. Overview. Antibodies production involves binding of antigen and receptor, production of antibodies and memory cells, destruction of pathogen by antigens. Explanation. Antigens of pathogen binds to the receptor of lymphocyte which activates the lymphocyte. This is called binding phase. Then activated lymphocyte produces memory cells and antibodies. This is called production phase. At last, these antibodies lock the antigens of pathogen. Then pathogen is destroyed. This is called destruction phase. Further explanation. Binding phase. Receptors of a lymphocyte binds with antigen from the pathogen. Receptors of lymphocyte recognize the antigen from the pathogen. After recognition, lymphocyte is activated. Production phase. The activated lymphocyte then produces antibodies, memory cells. Antibodies are proteins that protect body when an unwanted substance enters the body. Memory cells are long-lived cells that remain in the blood after the infection is over. They have ability to rapidly produce the original antibodies if same pathogen or antigen enters again. Destruction phase. Antibodies lock the antigens of pathogen. It makes the pathogen harmless, deactivated, and then pathogen is killed. Recap. Antibody production involves 3 steps. Binding phase involved in binding of antigens and receptors. Production phase involves in production of antibodies and memory cells. Destruction phase involves in deactivation and killing of pathogens. Quiz. Instructions. Pause the video for 2 minutes. Read all statements. Find the statements true or false. Answers. Feedback.